We're going to solve another arithmetic problem and compare the quantities. So in this problem, relationship between x, y and z is given. So in the first information it says that 1/2 of y is x. So 1/2 of y is x, or we can write y is equal to 2x. So that's information number 1. The second information is 1/3 of z is y. So we can write that z is equal to 3y, or since we also know that y equal to 2x, so we can replace this value here and find that z equal to 6x. So now at this point we know all the relationship in terms of x. It's also given that x plus y plus z is equal to 45. Now we are going to replace all the values. X is x, y is equal to 2x as per equation 1, and z equal to 6x as per equation 2. So from this equation we can find that 9x equal to 45 or x equal to 5. So we have to compare the quantities z by 2 and 15. So ultimately we will have to find the value of z by 2. So z by 2, we also know that from equation 2 that z is equal to 6x. So z by 2 is equal to 3x, and since we have found the value of x to be 5, we simply multiply it and find that the value is 15, which is equal to the side b, and therefore the two quantities are equal. So in this case the answer would be option C, the two quantities are equal.